In this episode, we will delve deep into CompTIA DataX practice exam questions, breaking down each response to ensure you're not just memorizing answers, but truly understanding the concepts. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss out on our tips and updates. Now, let's crack those practice questions and conquer the CompTIA DataX exam together. Question 1. In a study on the effectiveness of a new medication, participants who missed follow-up appointments tended to have lower severity of symptoms. What type of missingness is this most likely an example of? Question 2. An analyst is evaluating a multiple linear regression model that predicts a company's monthly sales based on advertising spend in various channels. The model includes advertising spend on television, radio, and newspapers. Initially, the R-squared value is 0.92. After adding social media advertising spend as an additional predictor, the analyst notices that the R-squared value increases slightly, but the adjusted R-squared value decreases. What does the change in adjusted R-squared suggest about the new model? Question 3. A data analyst is developing a linear regression model to predict the monthly energy consumption of households based on several predictors, such as square footage, location, and the number of residents. After training the model, the analyst calculates the root mean square error to evaluate its performance. If the RMSE value is high, what does this indicate about the model's predictions? Question 4. A data analyst has developed a linear regression model to predict house prices based on their size. After evaluating the model on a test dataset, the analyst notes that the R-squared value is 0.85. What does this R-squared value indicate about the model's performance? Question 5. In a financial technology application, a binary classification model is used to predict whether transactions are fraudulent. The model's ROC/AUC score is found to be 0.60. What does this score suggest about the model's performance in distinguishing fraudulent transactions from legitimate ones?